welcome back to my channel. For a brand new, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I just wanted to say, I did this. So, here, talk, person.
Hi.
I don't know if you guys can hear my friend, but she also has a YouTube channel. Like, wait, what's your YouTube channel called again? I'll search it up.
I don't have any videos down.
Isn't it like?
I might post a few videos if my channel starts like actually letting me post. It's saying like more storage one.
Where is your videos? I know you posted a video or two on there, but I just don't know
No,
where.
I deleted it.
You did?
Yeah, it was so bad.
So let's see. How do I even like type her sister's name? I'm very confused.
Oh yeah, my sister's channel is pretty good.
Well, anyways, moving on with life. So you guys,
That's Morgan.
yeah, it's just more you guys. I put it in the description. I'll put it in the description down below.
Wait, are you playing animals now?
Yeah. Well, yeah, technically. But you guys, I just did do the skit, the ungrateful child. Enjoy the skit. So again, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I put a lot of time and effort into this, and I also do want to give a shout out to my friend that's on the phone. And again, you guys, I don't know if you guys can hear, but I also do want to give a shout out to my friend KitKat174. But that's technically all I wanted to do, sorry for the bad quality. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh my gosh. Mainly very bad computer quality. Thank you guys so much for watching, and goodbye! OMG! A potato!